today we will discuss about the dosage form, what are the dosage form, how they are classified, and what are the needs of a dosage form. The dosage forms is a form in which a drug is taken by any human or animal, not in its purest form, but with the adding of some excipients. The dosage form become a novel, so it can produce maximum effect and minimum side effect, and patient to safety and benefits, and drug safety and drugs benefits or its uses. Now, what are the dosage form? Classification of dosage form. Dosage forms are classified on various parameters based on the route of administration, means how we take or administer that dose, by orally or parenterally, or any route, by the route of administration how we take. The various routes of administrations are uh, oral route, parenteral route, topical route, transdermal, respiratory or inhaled, ophthalmic, rectal, vaginal or otic routes. And oral means, first we discuss about the oral dosage forms are the we take in by through oral. These contains the solid dosage forms, means tablet, capsules, or any other powder forms or granule forms are the solid dosage forms. Yeah, oral dosage form mainly. The maximum doses used in the oral dosage forms are tablets. Second is parenteral dosage form. Parenteral dosage forms are the dosage form we take through injections. Various injections are given through the parenteral routes. There are several parenteral routes, intravenous, intramuscular, or subcutaneous, that are used by the parentals. Next is the topical route. Topical routes means the we used externally. Only external items are used when we used anything externally, like ointment, painkiller ointments, and any other things which we apply on the skin or outer part of the body. We cannot inhale, or we does not inhale that product. That are the topicals. Third is the transdermal. Transdermal dosage forms are the not in commonly used. They have to be in a hospital setting by a registered medical practitioner or a expert persons. They are the intradermal. They are implanted into the skin. Means they have to transport through the skin, and they then there is to systemic circulation. That are the transdermal. Next is the respiratory on inhaled. The best example of inhaled, we use inhaler or gas pumps or respiratory pumps, that are the inhaled. We take it orally, but the drug is in very solid form, very particle size is very less, or it is in liquid form, particle size is very less, and we inhale and it goes to the respiratory system or lungs. Next is the ophthalmic. Ophthalmic is which we used in the eyes, eye drop, eye ointment, eye suspension, etc., which we only instill into the eyes are ophthalmic. Next is rectal route. Rectal route means when a patient is conscious, he cannot take medicines, then the rectal route is maybe used. But in case of enema, pre-operative situations, where we have to clear the bowel of a patient, we have to use the enema through the rectal route. Next is the vaginal route. Vaginal routes are the only for females, in which some capsules, antibiotics, lotions are given into through vagina, and they absorb and goes into the systemic circulation. These are vaginal route. Next is the otic. Otic means the drops, the medicines we used in the ear. These medicines generally only have liquid form, ear drop, ear suspensions. These may be antibiotic, lignocaine, local anesthetics, and ear washes. Wash ear, or remove the wax of the ear. These are the used. And next category is the based on physical form of the drugs. How the drug form is present, that is categorized according to their formulations के वो बनी कैसी हुई है. First is the solid form, solid dosage form. Second, semi solid dosage form. Third, liquid dosage form. And fourth is gaseous form. Solid dosage forms means We have the solid dosage forms means tablet capsules, semi-solid means ointment, chyawanprash, etc. Liquids means injection, syrups, that are the liquids. Gases means deodorants, perspirants, aerosols, etc. Next is the based on the route of administration. There are the various categories are shown in that, and uh, रूट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ओरल, सबलिंगुअल, बकल, इंटरनल रूट जो इंटरनल के थ्रू लेते हैं हम मुंह के थ्रू, टैबलेट्स, कैप्सूल, सिरप, सस्पेंशन, इमल्सन्स, ड्राई पाउडर, इनहेलर्स, दैट आर द routes. Second is the parenteral source, intravenous injection, intramuscular, submuscular are the. Next is the topical route means dermal, we apply on the skin are the topical routes. Ointment, liniments, paste, cream, lotion, lip balm, medicated shampoos, that are in the dermal zone. Mucosals, some cheese, okay. Mucosal are the dosage forms we used on the inner part, but through a cavity means ear, body cavity में इसको हम यूज करते हैं, that is mucosal. Ointments हो सकते हैं, लिक्विड हो सकते हैं, ड्रॉप हो सकते हैं. और precautionous is transdermal patches, we apply this on the skin for a long time and it absorb very little systematically in very minute quantity and goes to the